Drying time and fabric care improve with 6sense drying systems that utilize sensors that monitor air temperature and load moisture. But to understand drying systems, it's helpful to understand airflow. Whirlpool dryers with lint screens on top move air through the dryer from the left rear to the right rear. A fan draws in fresh air past a heating element into the drum and then blows out moist air. Whirlpool dryers with lint screens in front move air from the rear to the front. A fan still draws in fresh air past a heating element, but the moist air is pulled down and then blown out the exhaust. Now let's compare drying systems. The most basic drying system is time dry, and it simply uses a timer to run for as long as you specify. No sensing of exhaust temperature or moisture takes place, so fabric can be easily over or under dried. The next level drying system is auto dry and is more accurate than time dry because it uses a thermostat to sense air temperature as it exits the dryer. Wet loads initially produce cool, moist air. As heated air is pulled through the load, the temperature of the exhaust air rises. The thermostat limits the temperature of the load and avoids overheating by simply turning the heating element or igniter on and off. This process repeats until the desired dryness level selected by the user is reached. 6sense technology provides the next level of drying system. AccuDry adds a second sensor to improve fabric care and optimize drying time. Moisture sensors are used to detect the level of moisture in load items. Sensor strips inside the drum provide feedback each time a load item brushes past. As the load dries, there are fewer wet signals detected. Moisture sensors and the thermostat work together to determine how long to dry the load, using less energy and avoiding overdrying. The most advanced sensor drying system, AccelerCare, replaces the thermostat with a thermistor that actually measures the exhaust air temperature and controls the heating element. In addition, an electronic control monitors the temperature readings from the thermistor and the signals from the moisture sensing strips. This control is more precise and can react faster to temperature and moisture readings. From the very simple time dry to the most adaptive drying systems of 6sense technology, different combinations of sensors and controls achieve a wide variety of outstanding drying features and benefits.